Hello, this is Markella and welcome to Screen Hack Friday, episode 11, where we're going to talk about all things Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is not as far away, and most of you might be wondering, how can I make the most of my digital signage screens? Today, we'll share with you 3 cool ideas that will help you slide into the Thanksgiving spirit easily. Thanksgiving is the gratitude holiday, but most of the times all of us are getting bombarded with messages asking us to buy more or do more. So why don't we use our digital signage screens to go against the grain? Some of the ways you could use your screens to add value to your digital signage viewers is by using your screens to share Thanksgiving recipes that will help your viewers to create extra delicious meals. Thank your customers for being so awesome and buying from you this year. Help tell different stories of Thanksgiving that will engage your viewers and give them a moment to pause during the busy Thanksgiving rush. Want to know one of the most Googled phrases during Thanksgiving? Opening times. Yes, that is correct. During all this frenzy, all of us are getting confused about what's open and when. So you could easily use Google Slides or Notice Board app on ScreenCloud to share your opening and closure times before the holiday so everyone knows when you're available. Thanksgiving is a great season to celebrate the people that make your business possible, your customers and your employees. It's very easy to translate your customer or employee's quotes using templates or ScreenCloud's Quotes app. You could also create employee profiles to share their favorite Thanksgiving dish to make it easier for your customers to connect with people behind the sales counter. You could also grab the opportunity to share social causes that you're passionate about, which may get increased involvement and donations. Thanksgiving is a great time to run promotions and increase sales, but using some of these ideas, you can still say thanks and create a deeper connection with your customers. That's it for today. Make sure to subscribe for more upcoming episodes. Thank you so much for watching and happy Thanksgiving!